Okay, today is Wednesday. It's day 3 on Baby Watch. And to be honest with you, I'm really afraid of what I might find today. We had a horrible, horrible thunderstorm last night. A tornado warning and the whole 9 yards. Flash flood, high winds. I came out here and I saw a bunch of buckets and everything laying around. I'll tell you what, Ozark's litter here looks pretty good. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. She's watching to see what I'm doing. 5, 6, 7. So they're all good. Babies are squeaking and it's making Mom just a little nervous. So, okay, Ozark's babies are all good. She didn't stomp them last night. That really makes me feel better. Memphis and her 2 babies are good. She had 3, but around day 12, one of the kids got out of the nest box and got cold, so she only has 2 left. Madison and her 5 babies are still good. That's good. And here's Avoca, my blue doe. And let's get a head count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of her babies are doing real good. So that alleviates most of my worry. They didn't get stomped.